session, Magistrate Erica Morgan presiding.
I went into law ever since I was a little girl. I always wanted to be an attorney. I've always wanted to help people. But when I was younger, I didn't understand what being an attorney really was. My mom used to say, oh, you can debate and argue well. And I would be like, well, I can. But it's not about how you argue. It's about how you argue with the law and understand it. I just knew I wanted to help people and defend people that and otherwise wasn't able to defend themselves. As I began to progress, as noted earlier, I thought I wanted to go into being a special agent. I think I shied away from it because I didn't know if I could do it. It seemed hard. And then I eventually took the LSAT. And Cooley was the school that gave me a chance. Thomas Cooley, they were the school that gave me a chance. And when I did get into law school, I actually graduated with honors. I was able to do the work. I actually, I shocked myself. As I was an attorney, of course, I defended individuals, but I also did 3 months of prosecution work at Genesee County Prosecutor's Office, in which I was able to see both aspects of the law, defending victims as well as defending defendants as it relates to cases. So I had a balance in which understanding that there are times in which justice needs to be administered, that's on the victim side, and where mercy needs to be administered, that's on the defense side, in which people may commit crimes, but mercy needs to be shown. However, there is a balance to that. So I've had a good balance of understanding both sides. As an attorney, I do believe our criminal justice system does need, some improvement, but in order to effectuate improvement, you have to be a part of it. So my journey of being a part of it is understanding that being a magistrate or coming in to see how you can impact it, that's one of the ways of being a part of the criminal justice system to impact change. And it can be done on both sides, but there's a different way to view it when you're a defense attorney versus a prosecutor. You have to now be the decision maker. Well, it was a selection process. I actually had to be interviewed by 3 judges, so Judge Longo, Judge Hunt, as well as Judge Hartwell, and also be approved by City Council of the City of Hazel Park, also the City of Ferndale, as well as the City of Madison Heights. So that was a long process as far as what I thought it was. I'd never been through it before. So, and I believe that they selected the best candidate because I really enjoy this job. And I'm able to now learn that it's not just about the defense side, it's about what's in the best interest of justice. It's a job in which you're really a servant to the community. It's not about, oh, you're a judge, you got the black robe on, you put the gavel down. It's about being a servant to your community, letting your community know that we're people too, and we understand some of your concerns that you may have, whether it's with the city ordinance, the building and code, or whether it's you had spoken with the officer, maybe the engagement wasn't good. Sometimes at a lot of the hearings, sometimes the citizens just want to be heard. I count it an honor and a privilege to always sit in the seat of being a magistrate. I don't take it lightly. I think that being a magistrate, as I said earlier, is a servant to the community. And as I continue to serve, I would hopefully that the people of Hazel Park, the people of Ferndale and Madison Heights will also continue to just have confidence that I'm going to be making the right decisions on their cases when they come before me.